Morphological and anatomical study of the Selaginella species. That is, what is the morphology of Selaginella? Selaginella, with about 700 species, is worldwide in its distribution, though it is abundant in tropics with wide range of growth habits and habitats. Many species are flat creepers on the ground, that is Selaginella Crociana. In some species, the plants are small and upright like moss and other produce most like upright branches. Rarely the plants are quite erect to several feet tall. These are the key observations. The branching is of monopodial type. The leaves are usually small, simple, and lanceolate with pointed apex. Each leaf is provided with a single unbranched midrib. Rhizophores arise from the prostrate axis at the point of dichotomy and elongates downward. The branching of the root is also dichotomous. The stem is long, slender, usually dorsiventral, and prostrate with erect branches. In some species, the stem is also erect. Regarding the anatomy of the stem, anatomically it is differentiated into outer layer of epidermis, middle layer of cortex, and centrally located stele. Outermost one-cell thick epidermis consists of cutinized cells with no stomata. In most of the species, the cortex is differentiated into a few outer layer of thick wall sclerenchymatous hypodermis and many layers of thin wall parenchymatous cells. Cortex is completely sclerenchymatous in xerophytic species. Generally, there is no intercellular space in the cortex. Centrally located stele is connected with the cortex with the help of many long, radially elongated cells called trabeculi. In between these there are present many air cavities or big intercellular spaces. The number of stele is variable from 1 to 16 as under, that is Selaginella spinulosa, which of single stele, that is monostelic. Selaginella crociana, that is two stelic, that is diastelic, and Selaginella levigata up to 16 stele, that is called polystelic in nature. The xylem is exact with one or two protoxylem groups. It consists of only tracheids. When we go for the section of the leaves of the Selaginella, which are very delicious, it is bounded by an upper and a lower layer of epidermis. That is it is bounded by upper and lower epidermis. Cells of the epidermis layer, that is the epidermis, the outermost layers contain chloroplast. That means on the lower epidermis are present many stomata. That means most of the stomata are present on the lower epidermis. In the center is present a single vascular bundle. That is, single vascular bundles are present inside the anatomy of the stem, anatomy of the leaf, which are bounded by a bundle sheath, which are enclosed a layer of phloem and many centrally located xylem tracheids.